Hello friends, welcome back. So now let's do the styling for product page. So for that we need to go to Visual Studio Code, and inside this page Shopify product.handle.js, we need to wrap everything in another div. Okay, so I'll just create one more div and I'll paste it here. Okay, and then we need to add CSS classes. So class name, and that is going to be container, and max auto padding will be 6. And in this div we need to add classes. So class name, that is going to be for medium device flex. For medium device, again we need items center. And let's move this title uh, little down. So after this div we will add this title, and now wrap everything inside this another div. So I'll just create a div and wrap everything till button. Okay, and then we will give some classes to this div. So class name, that is going to be width full, height would be 64. For large device, width will be 96. For medium device it will be half. And okay, this CSS class, we I need to cut this and I'll paste it here. Okay, we need this CSS class for this div. And for image, let's add class. Okay, so height full, width full, rounded, medium, and we need the image to be object cover, max width large, mx auto. Now let's add the CSS for this div. So class name, that is going to be width full, max width large, mx auto, medium, margin left would be 8. And for medium device, margin top would be 0. For medium device it will take half. Okay, and this will be divide y. This will add border to the children of this div. Okay, and then we need space y2, and divide color will be gray 400. Okay, let's save this and let's check it in the browser. So let me refresh. So as you can see, we are getting this divider on every element, but we don't need on every element, so need to fix that. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. So we wrap this title and description in another div. So let me do that. Okay, and price and button should be in a separate div. So let's cut and I'll paste it here. Let's save this. And now if I go back, so as you can see, we are getting the separator here. Now let's style the h2 tag. So class name, that is going to be text gray 700. It will be uppercase, and text LG. Okay, let me save this, go back. Okay, now we are getting the title in uppercase. Okay, but I think this description should be below this and this price should be on the top. So let me move the description down, and price we can move it up. So let me cut this and paste it here, and let me cut this out and paste it here. Let's save this, and now if I go back, as you can see the price is here. This looks much better. Now let's do the styling for the span. Okay, so class name, that is going to be text gray 500, margin top would be 3. And then we can style the for description. Okay, so class name, that is going to be margin y3, and then we can style the button. So class name, that is going to be px8, py2, bg indigo 600, text white, text SM, font medium, then we have rounded. Okay, then hover will be BG Indigo 500. Then we need to remove the focus and add our own focus. So outline none. Then focus again will be BG hyphen Indigo 500. Let's save this. Let's go to the browser. Now, as you can see, this looks much better. Okay, if I scale down in mobile version, you can see this looks much better. Okay, and if this is in the desktop version, so it looks something like this. Okay, if I click, will be active app. We have successfully styled the product page. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.